Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Kriya. Today I'm going to show you how to make the FLATO puzzle box. The aim of this puzzle box is to slide out this golden tile right there. So the first step is to pull this brick out like this. Then pulling this out frees up this bar and we can push it in. And as you can see, pushing that in pops out this golden tile. But we are not supposed to take out this golden tile. We are supposed to slide out this one. So for that, I'll first slide this wall like this. Then I'll slide this one like that. Now for taking out this tile, I'll push this piece in and that will pop out. Just like that. And as you can see, the puzzle is solved. So first we'll start with the base. I'll join 4 2x6 plates together and place a 1x1 plate right there and a 1x1 tile. These are not supposed to be round, they can even be square. Then a 1x1 tile on the corner, a 1x1 plate, another 1x1 tile right there, a 1x1 plate and a 2x1 tile like that. Then I'll take another 1x1 plate, a 2x1 tile and a 1x1 plate. Now we are almost done with the base. We'll just put some bricks to join all these plates together. So now I'll take a 1x6 brick right there, another 1x6 brick just like that, a 1x3 brick, a 2x4 brick like that right there. Then I'll take a 2x1 brick, place it right there. Oops. Then I'll take a 2x4 brick right there. And now the base is completely ready. Now I'll take a 1x1 tile right there like that. Another 1x1 tile, a 2x2 plate, a 2x1 plate, a 1x6 plate right there, a 2x2 tile, a 2x3 plate and another 2x3 plate right there. Now it looks something like this. Now I'll take a 1x3 brick right there, a 1x1 plate like that, a 2x2 brick. Then I'll place a 2x1 brick right there, a 1x1 and another 1x1 brick like that. Now I'll take a 2x1 tile and place it right there, a 2x1 brick like that, a 2x4 brick right there and a 2x1 tile which will go right there like this. Now we make the two sliding walls. These are the parts for making the first one and these are the parts for making the second one. So first I'll take a 1x1 brick and place a 1x1 plate over it like this. Then I'll take a 1x2 transparent brick and a 2x1 plate right there. And I'll take another 1x2 transparent brick and a 2x1 plate, join them together. Now I'll join these pieces together with a 1x6 tile, one right there, another one and a 1x1 right there, leaving a gap in between. Now 2x1 transparent brick and a 1x1 tile will go right there. Now I'll take a 2x1 plate, a golden tile and a 2x1 plate, and I'll finish this wall with a 1x4 tile on top like this, and both the sliding walls are ready. Now just take the main part of the puzzle and place this wall right there like this on those two studs, and take the other wall and place it right there on these two studs, and that's it for the walls. Now we'll make the 3 keys. So the first one is a 1x4 tile and a 2x1 plate under it right there like this, and another 2x1 plate right there and a 1x1 tile. So this is the first key. Now for the second one, I'll take a 1x1 plate and a 2x1 plate, join them together like this, and place a 2x1 tile on top like that. Now for the third one, I'll take a 2x1 transparent brick, a 1x4 plate and a 2x1 tile right there, and now this key is also ready. So now we'll do the placement of the keys and make the roof. So first I'll take this key and place a 1x1 tile over it like this, and place the key on the 1x1 plate that we placed there earlier. Then take the second key and keep it loose right there, and take the third key and just place it right there loose. Now take the 2x1 golden tile and place it on the 1x1 round plate just like this. Now take a 1x3 plate, a 2x1 plate and a 2x3 plate, place it right there. Then take a 2x1 plate, a 1x3 plate, now take another 2x1 plate and a 2x8 plate, join them together as shown like this, and just place the 2x8 plate over there. You can even pick up these pieces and place them under the 2x8 plate like this, and then place it right there. Now take a 2x4 plate another one, and take 2 more 2x4 plates and just place them right there. Now we'll just decorate the top with some tiles. Take a 2x4 tile right there, another one like this. Then take several jumper plates, 2x1 jumpers. Place them as shown like this. Then take 2 2x2 tiles and place them right there, and the puzzle is ready. If you liked this video and found the tutorial helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Kriya. Thank you for watching.